Hi, I happened to watch Met Gala 2021. You will say, what's the big deal? Half of India watched it. Yeah, even Kareena Kapoor and Malaika Arora were, in fact, translating each other on Twitter. Ye kya ho raha hai? What's going on? That is the extent of craze in India for Met Gala. In fact, many Indians were worried about whether India has been represented in this prestigious event. And when they finally saw the representation is very much there, they heaved a sigh of collective relief and thanked God for saving them from imminent doom. Okay, there is a difference between me saying that I watched Met Gala because I closely observed and learned a lot of things. Yes, lessons learned and conclusions made. That's what I did. So, let's talk about the dresses. Focal point is, of course, Kim Kardashian. She is the queen, undoubtedly, of Met Gala 2021. Nobody can take her place. Agreed? Yes. You will agree. I know that. Because I'm trying to understand what exactly Kim was trying to do there. Was she actually trying to follow strict COVID protocol, or was she honoring 1 month of Taliban rule, that too well in advance? I hope Rajmata Chris Jenner was not standing there saying, "You're doing amazing, sweetie." Oh, my bad. That is reserved only for specific kinds of dresses. Iman's outfit, you know how I felt about it? It looked like a bunch of ostriches had gotten into a cat and bull fight, and finally, out of sheer frustration, they were tearing each other's plumage apart. Irina Shayk said her dress contains 5,000 flowers. I was searching. Believe me, I was searching. All over her body, I searched. Except for certain places, I did not find the flowers at all. They were all hiding in the mopping cloth. Yes, the same thing what designers call as trail. That is the mopping cloth. Yeah, speaking of designers, they are a class apart, different kind of community, a breed which is commonly bound by the same common language. Yes, their lingo is no different at all. Every designer there was speaking the same tone. Oh my god, we had so much fun putting this together. We were laughing, we were singing, we were dancing. It was also organic. Come on. When did the word organic creep from food into clothing? It's better off associated with food, right? I don't know. Food reminds me. Kiki Palmer, one of the hostess, had actually posted a picture of the food at Met Gala. It takes guts to do that. Because you know what? Okay. They are charging a ticket at $35,000 a piece, and tables go upwardly of $3 million. Then give some proper food, na? Because of the photo which was posted online, Anna Wintour had to do some serious damage control. And the chef, Samuelson, was running all over the internet trying to defend himself. Now I understand why Kim is not regretting her choice at all. She was a genius, of course. Then, finally, let's talk about the presentation, which is supposed to be always shrouded in utter secrecy as to what is going on inside. Nobody knows. Only the red carpet of the Met Gala is what the whole world sees. But this time, we happen to see the shots online, right? So, again, the focus is back on, yes, the icing on the cake, Kim Kardashian's outfit. It was widely being touted as speaking about the underrepresentation of women in mainstream America, everything. How? I don't get it. For me, representation of women is not about wearing skimpy clothes or posing in the buff. If you really want to show your representation, then do a good deed. Use your power, money, and influence to alleviate poverty. Don't spend on this mindless extravaganza in the name of fashion. Was it really necessary? You could have used your fund in a better way to fund the research on alleviating one of the two C's, cancer and COVID. After all, fashion is not the answer to all the worldly problems. What do you think? Put it in the comments below. Thank you.